Hi students, now we are at Nicmar campus to explore various career options related to construction management. So now we will go inside and discuss with management team to explore various courses and placements that occurs through Nicmar. Okay, now we will see the campus.
Hi sir. So firstly, thank you very much for giving the opportunity sir to explore Nicmar Hyderabad. So tell me briefly about you and Nicmar Hyderabad campus. What are the courses you offer?
Okay. Nicmar Hyderabad is an industry-oriented campus for built environment education. It has got courses which are directly linked to our built environment like construction management, project management, health and safety, infrastructure, quantity surveying, environment. These are so important these days in current projects, and Nicmar is the only unique institute in India to offer these courses in the campus here in Hyderabad.
Why a student has to choose Nicmar?
Nicmar has been established by industry itself. It was set up in 1984 when major industry infrastructure players, they thought that there is a gap for skilled manpower professionals in project management, construction management, infrastructure management, and that is where the legacy started. Nicmar provides the education and training which is directly related to the infrastructure projects, and the graduates from here are readily employable in the industry even before they graduate from here. That is the legacy and the USP of Nicmar in terms of employability. The curriculum has been designed with the help of global players like MIT, USA, University of Michigan, Loughborough University at that time, and the curriculum is so relevant for the employability, and that's why students come to Nicmar to learn all those traits, those skills which are directly employed in the industry.
Sir, so Nicmar PG diploma certificate has a recognition international level as well?
Nicmar at the minute has got Nicmar University, which offers UGC approved programs. Nicmar Hyderabad campus delivers and offers mainly industry oriented programs where students who wants to go into the employment directly after their graduation from civil engineering, architecture, mechanical, electrical or general graduate, they complete the education from Nicmar Hyderabad and directly then get employed and absorbed into the industry.
Okay. Final only one question, sir. When we compare masters in construction management in NITs or IITs, whatever they do, how is it different in Nicmar doing construction management course here?
Very good question. So the courses which are done in NITs or IITs are MTech courses.
MTech, yes.
MTech is more focused into the technical capabilities, technical side of construction or any subject discipline, where Nicmar programs produce managers, and this is a techno-managerial program where they have got enough background of technical subject, but at the same time they have got exposure to management discipline areas as well, which are very much needed in the today's industry, and they become managers and leaders into their own disciplines and on their own organization.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you for your time. Hi, students. Now we are with Dr. Sharbesh Mishra, sir. He is taking care of placements division in Hyderabad as well as executive education. What is this executive education? We will know in sir words only. Hi, sir.
Hello.
Firstly, thank you very much for giving the opportunity.
Thank you. Entirely our pleasure for coming to Nicmar Hyderabad campus.
Okay. So, whenever any student choose any type of course, the first thing that come to their mind is placement, sir.
Yes.
This is the first criteria.
First criteria. Yes, you're right.
So, tell me about the placements happening in Nicmar, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming to our campus and discussing about the prospects for the students. I must tell you that since the day that I've joined, that is in the March 2007 onwards, this particular portfolio has come to me by a freak. My then director told us just handle it for 1 year. Okay. We will go for a new person.
Okay.
And from that particular 1 year, now 18th year will be over shortly. In the March 2024, my 18th year of service will be over. And I have completed already 18 batch of placements. I must tell you that. And we have never had any kind of problem as far as the placements are concerned. Thanks to the government spending a lot of money into the infrastructure. Houses are required for everyone. Everyone will be staying, whether it is COVID is there, COVID is not there. Every time houses are there. And if you look at the cities also, you will find that so much of growth is taking place thanks to the urban infrastructures that is happening, thanks to the housing requirements, thanks to the commercial space requirements, everything is increasing. So in that way, there is a very genuine demand for the employment. There is a genuine demand, and that particular demand, when they look at us as a Nicmarian, they believe that our students can very well fit into that, because after engineering, okay, they do this particular specialized program and they are hired at a very high salary because they are specialists into this particular field of construction, real estate, infrastructure, projects, and I can say that nowadays banks, financial company, all those people are involved and they are all participating in our placements. This year we have achieved a record, I can tell you. On the January 5th only, we have completed all our placements.
Okay.
All the placements are complete for the regular batch of students.
It will complete in April, sir, overall?
Yeah, okay. The program will get over in the April.
Okay.
But the hiring tendencies are very high. Companies require a lot of manpower, and they require the manpower who are specialists into the domains. So our specializations are into the construction management, project management, quantity surveying, then contracts management, health, safety, environment management, and we offer the programs into this. So we get the companies who are into this particular field. And generally every year you will find that 15 to 20% of the student goes to abroad for the overseas placements, mostly in the Middle East side. Okay. Dubai, Oman, Saudi Arabia, okay, then Abu Dhabi, all these places, wherever you go, you tell Nicmar, you will find that in every project site, Nicmarians are there.
True.
And I have also visited several times for the alumni meet and everything. You will find that whenever you go to any Middle East, okay, any company you go, you will find a lot of Nicmarians are working over there. And that gives a sense of satisfaction also, that apart from being in India, in a global corridor like Dubai, which are famous for the high-rise structures and famous for customized building, our students and our alumni are contributing there also. This year, our highest salary so far has been 24 lakhs, because that is a foreign company. And the mean salary...
The placement in foreign or here?
The placement is foreign.
Okay.
They will go to Dubai, they will go to Muscat, they will go to Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
So placement is in the foreign country.
Okay.
But they came to the campus for the recruitment.
Right.
Okay. And for the Indian salary, I will say that the average is somewhere around 11 lakhs. Okay. Precise 10.82 lakhs is the average. Average package.
Okay.
And our median salary, if I say, that means how many people are above that salary and below that salary, it will be close to 12 lakhs.
Okay.
Our median salary will be close to 12 lakhs. Our mean salary this time is 10.8 lakhs.
Okay.
And highest salary is close to 22 lakhs plus.
Okay.
And plus means they get the accommodation free of cost, subsidized food facility, and also the transportation on the top of that. These are all purely complementary apart from health insurance for them, for their families.
Okay.
And for those all those who are recruited by the Middle East companies, yearly twice they can come by the flight, and that flight fares are also given by the companies.
Okay.
And it is tax free.
Okay.
That is why our students are interested to go to the Middle East.
Acha.
Because it is tax free.
Tax free, true.
Okay.
Okay. What is the role of the engineers placed through Nicmar, sir? Generally, means site engineer, design engineers we have. What is the role of this construction management engineers?
So what has happened is that now BTech and MTech students could not cater to the full requirement of the companies. They are only knowing little bit of the construction. They know the civil aspects, they know structural aspects. The companies felt that we should have somebody that who knows the complete 360-degree idea should be there. So when you are talking about the construction management, that means all the gamut of activities are there. It is not that only civil works are there.
Okay.
So it is a civil work, design work, then health safety work, estimation work,
HVAC.
quality work. Everything is intertwined, and this particular program has been structured.
Okay.
If you look at the genesis of Nicmar, how the Nicmar started actually, in the 1982-83, few companies joined hands. They said that BTech and MTech students are okay for us, but we want to create a stream of the students who should be helpful to create and take care of our projects altogether. We want to make them project manager. So when you're talking about project manager, the project manager is a person who should be having all the technical contents, plus financial aspects he should know, all the managerial aspect he should know HR, he should know marketing, he should know everything.
Okay.
Because automatically the project manager is just like a district collector. He should be knowing everything.
Okay.
So from there, these particular programs were conceived. The ILO assistance was given by the government of India, and then the Nicmar started its functioning from Mumbai office, in a trust office. It was primarily for executive education, that means those who were working for them. Then the regular programs were started from 1987 onwards. Our current 2-year programs are 37 batches running. That means 36 batches of students are already passed out, including the current batch. And 20 batch is the QS batch. So 19 batches of students are already in the market. And 21 is the HSC batch. That means 20 batches of students are already in the market, and they are working for different companies.
Okay.
And our students have started getting retired also. Because when 36 years I am saying,
yes.
So our students, those who have passed out in the first batch, second batch, they have started superannuating. So first batch students is the executive director in the Sobha Enterprises, Mr. Anil Hokrani. Yeah, he got superannuated very recently. Yeah, we got the invite also that our first batch of the Nicmarians got superannuated in 2022.
Okay.
So our students, after passing out, after having the leadership roles, they have started retiring also.
Okay.
It is a full circle, I will say, that the institute has already achieved.
Okay.
And we are very proud of our alumni, there is no doubt. You go to any company of this particular nature, you will find that our students are into the leadership roles.
True.
And they are still in touch with us. Okay, because they have always believed that coming back to the institute and giving back to the institute is always a good thing.
Right.
So every Wednesday we have some kind of corporate lectures are there. Some of the other visitors are there. We have MOUs with many companies to have the classes. On Saturdays, the CBRE, one of the very reputed PMC, they are conducting the classes for our students for the CBRE ready. Like that, we have the MOU and joint ventures with many companies to take the sessions. And visitors visiting to us, telling them the new technologies, new materials, new software that is applicable in the construction industry. That is a very continuous affair in the Nicmar. I can proudly tell that wherever the Nicmarians will go, they will deliver for sure. There's no doubt about that.
Okay. What is the least amount of package we got in the recent batch?
Yeah. Least amount of package, I can say that some of the students who wanted to be placed only in Hyderabad, the location was a constraint.
Acha.
They don't want to go out of Hyderabad.
Okay.
Few are married people are there.
Acha.
Married
Women.
females are there. Okay. They cannot go obviously. So those people who are having some location constraint, we find that they cannot negotiate much with the company.
Correct.
Okay. So they join in the local companies because of the constraints that they have. So least package this time, I don't want to name the company, but it was around 6.4 lakhs.
That is least package.
That is the least package.
Okay.
6.4 lakhs. And they were all placed in Hyderabad.
Okay.
It is a Hyderabad based company.
So everyone got placed, sir?
Everyone got placed.
Everyone
got placed.
Okay.
And it is better that you can talk to our students also who are there in the campus.
Definitely.
They will tell you. Because I am being authority. If I am telling you, then that may be wrong also.
Right.
You can go and chit chat with the students. You will find they will only tell you the figures. They will tell you the statistics.
Okay.
They will tell you everything.
Okay. And when we see percentage of students, how many are freshers and how many are experienced to upgrade their career through Nicmar?
That's a very good question you've asked. What we are seeing over the period of time is that since the civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical, these are core engineerings. Now what has happened is these core engineerings are integrated highly into the softwares and everything. So what we are finding right now is that the current batches are having around 30 to 40% experienced people and 60% is the freshers. Why I'm saying experience? Now they have all passed out their engineering in 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10 when engineering was restricted to only that particular core functioning. Now what has happened now with the construction 4.0, that is industry 4.0, and construction 5.0, that is industry 5.0, what has happened? A lot of digitization, automation, human machine interface, sustainable materials, all the new things have started coming. So to upgrade themselves, they are coming back, they are taking completely, they are quitting the job, they are doing this 2-year program, they are, they are upgrading themselves, and they are going back to the company, some other companies, with a higher salary.
Okay.
That is
Sorry
happening.
to interrupt, sir. One query I have here. When we are talking about experience, the experience should be constrained only to the management side, or a normal site engineer also can come here and get a good package?
Sir, rather I will say that maximum people who are having experience, they are all site engineers only. Site engineers only.
Okay.
Most of the people who are coming to us, they are the site engineers.
Okay.
So whenever they are working, they are seeing that monotony is there. Because I am doing that for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. So then they are seeing that some Nicmarian is their manager, project manager, deputy project manager, something like that.
True.
Sir, how you have done? And this is what I have done. From there, they are coming back to us.
Acha.
From there, they themselves are telling, sir, your student was there in this particular project. He only referred me to do the program.
Okay.
And they have come back. And then they find that, what we had been doing, we have done really, we missed the bus at that time. Now it is better that we complete the program.
Okay.
And they are completing. We have around this batch, that 2024 pass out batch, altogether around 22% students are with experience, valid experience. Okay. And those people who are having experience, they are taken in a little higher salary than that of the freshers.
Acha.
That is also there.
Okay. So also throw some light on executive education, which you are saying, sir.
Yeah, I am heading the executive education that is intended for the working professionals. What has happened now, we have to understand that everyone do not get the opportunity to complete the graduation. Everyone do not get the opportunity to get the post-graduation. Because of the financial problem, because of the family problem, a lot of problems are there. We have to understand, because every year so many people are applying for us. Everyone is not getting a seat also. So combining all these problems, our management thought that why not we help and assist the people who are already working there. So then what happened, having that particular thought process in the mind, we designed and started having the programs for those people who are working already.
Okay.
So we have a very big gamut of working executive programs are there.
So they need not leave their job?
No. They will continue to have the job.
Yes. Okay.
That is the total agenda, that they should continue to have the job. They will come to the campus only on Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
And we are still running some programs on the blended mode.
Okay.
They can connect through the online also. Because of the corona, you know that everything has become blended right now. Okay. So they can join anywhere right now. But from this particular year, we are going to make everything physical. That every Sunday they have to come and attend the classes. That is number one. Apart from that, we are doing a lot of MDP, CBPs for the companies. Companies have recruited long back. They are upskilling, reskilling, outskilling, all these things has to be done because the technology has changed. So when that is being done, the company-based programs are very common feature for us. So we are doing now one long duration program. We have signed the MOU with the Adani Group. So Adani Group will be sending 30 of their employees to us. Okay. Every 2 months they will be in our campus.
Achha.
Then they will go back and again next 2 months they will come.
Okay.
Like that 2 years completely they will be coming, going.
Okay.
And finally they will fulfill the requirements by having the examination same, project work, Vivos, everything will be same.
Okay.
After that, Nicmar will give them the certificate as the executive postgraduate program because they are executives.
Yes.
They are executive.
Okay.
Like that, we have the client list, very big client list. GR Infra is our client, HG Infra is our client, Afcons Infrastructure, Sapurji Palonji, so many companies are there. Very regularly we do the programs for them. Very recently on my tabletop you can see that we are going to Bareilly on the 18th and 20th for doing a company based program. This is what the program schedule, and it is for their employees.
Okay.
18, 19, 20 of January, that is next week. Okay. So what we'll be doing, now since they cannot send all the employees to us, what they will do, sir, can you come over there? So then we will be taking our faculties to their place. Bareilly is a place in the Uttar Pradesh. There the Ganga Expressway is going on in the NHDP phase 6.
Okay.
So in that particular project, the project manager requested us, sir, can you come?
Okay.
Well, for the education, we can go to everywhere.
Okay.
That is the funda of the Nicmar.
Okay.
We said, sir, we will come. Okay. He said, sir, we will bear all your expenditure, accommodation, food and commercial cost, whatever. Please come. So we are going with the 4 faculties to Bareilly. We'll be delivering for 3 days and that particular CBP will be over. Then immediately after that, again we'll be going to the Coromandel Fertilizer Vizag, our own Vizag only. There again 3 days. We have our calendar booked for all the MDPs and CBP, short duration, 2 days, 3 days, 5 days program. And these weekend programs, whatever I was referring, that is for the open enrollment. Anyone can apply and they can enroll. And that is currently the admissions are going on for the open enrollment program along with the regular admissions. You know that now the admission informations are there in the website. If anyone is interested, please log into our website. You will find that both the admissions are there for the regular programs and also for the executive education program. They are free depending on their eligibility. If they are having the work experience and they can continue to work, then they can do the executive programs. If they are freshers and they can come and stay here for 2 years and they're ambitious, they want to go to abroad, they want to earn salary, all those things, please come to the campus. It is up to you all, okay. We have all kind of programs for every gamut of the people. That's what I can tell you.
Okay. And I have one last query while observing the website. I have seen the list of top recruiter. Axis Bank I have seen.
Yeah.
What is the role of civil engineer in Axis Bank?
Sir, that's a very good question I've asked. In the beginning also I was telling you, when I joined initially only the contractor, clients, PMCs were coming. Then from 2013-14 I have been seeing that banking sector, financial sector and insurance sectors are showing interest in us. Okay. So it is not only Axis Bank. That is the top recruiter who mentioned that.
There.
Axis Bank is coming, ICICI Bank is coming, HDFC Bank is coming, everyone is coming to us. So what they do now, they have a valuation team. You must be knowing that.
Yes, yes.
Mortgage
Loans. Yes, we
so
know.
mortgage means this particular room, suppose I'm the owner of this particular room. Now bank can give the money against this. Somebody has to do the valuation of this particular building.
But valuator should have a separate...
That is a valuator. That is a valuator. We are the valuer. Both are different. Both are different.
Okay.
The valuer will be different than valuator.
Okay.
Valuator only will do you the valuation of the building. But we will be, our students will check whether this particular building, what is the structural strength of the building.
Acha.
Whether this particular building is complying with the FSI norms or not, floor space index.
Achha.
Whether this particular building is regulated by the bylaws of the GHMC or not.
Right.
Everything has to be correct.
Okay. This
That
assessment...
yes.
Okay.
And suppose new buildings are there. People take finance, you must have seen. Any project you go, this particular project is financed by ICICI Bank, Axis Bank. There our student roles are there.
Acha. Okay.
Because the payments are done on a milestone basis. Suppose the foundation is over, some payment will be made. Who will do that verification? That verification will be done by our students.
Okay.
So suppose the foundation is over, our students will go, they will check, they will see, they will certify, they will write it to the bank that you can go for the next installment.
Acha.
So for that we have a mortgage valuation team, and there every year the students are recruited, and you must know that they get much better salary than that of normal probationary officer.
True. I know.
Because these are specialized branches.
Right.
And mortgage valuation team, if I'm not wrong, Axis Bank is giving close to 9.5 lakhs.
Okay.
Whereas a normal MBA holder for fresher.
Okay.
And for a normal MBA holder, in fact, I don't want to name any good colleges. There are some colleges we have got the mixed kind of placements also. They send their students to us also. They get close to 5.5-6 lakhs. But since ours is a specialized thing, they are into the specialized vertical, they get close to 9.5 lakhs with some joining bonus also.
Acha.
Yeah. But The number of recruitments are not like the common officers like 50, 60, 100. But this is a very specialized branch.
Okay.
Every bank will come, they will recruit for 2, 3, 5, that's all.
Every year?
Every year.
Okay.
And it suits the girls very much.
True.
I must tell you that. Because this particular thing they have got across India, everywhere they can go. So suppose a girl is getting married also. Suppose the spouse is working in Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, anywhere. You just write a mail to the company that I have got married. Please transfer me to Delhi. They will immediately transfer.
Right.
They don't have any problem.
Correct.
Banks have got branches everywhere.
Everywhere.
They have got a regional office everywhere.
Right.
So they can post you to regional office.
Right.
So that's how the banks have been coming, and our girls are the primary beneficial out of that. And not only girls, boys also, some boys are typically interested to have this kind of functions. They are also doing quite okay. If I'm not wrong, 2014-15 people who are now in the companies, in the banks, now they are coming back to us to recruit the students. When our alumni are there as a part of the interview panels, I believe our job is done. Because as a faculty, as an instructor, we always believe that our alumni are the people who are the ambassadors of the institute.
Correct.
When they come back and they interview our students again, we don't have to do anything. They are the alma maters of the Nicmar. Both are Nicmarians. So one alumni is expecting the other alumni to perform the best. And with this 33-35 years of life cycle in the 2-year program, with 20 years of 1-year program that we have been successfully running, I believe there is nothing looking back. The government of India is spending a lot of money into the infrastructure, and it will continue to happen. The 7.3% GDP has been achieved because of the investment into the infrastructure.
Correct.
And government will continue to invest. I believe, I cannot talk about the other sectors of the industries, but I can tell you this infrastructure and real estate will continue to soar new highs, and there will be enough jobs that will be created at least till 2035. I mark my words, it will be there, and the salaries will be the best in class, because specialized people are not available in the market.
Correct.
And we are into that particular specialized domain.
Okay. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
All my queries are answered. So if you want any final words to students, why you have to join Nicmar, you can tell that.
I can tell that please come and have an immersive experience into the Nicmar. See that what kind of infrastructure that we have created. It is a purely not for profit making organization. You will see that the practices are the best rated. We always believe in the benchmark practices. Come and join that particular vast alumni of 38,000 that we have created so far. And it is always, I must tell you, a very surreal and gratitudinal experience, either being a student or a faculty or a dean, anyone, being a part of this particular great institution, which has been created by the top-notch leaders in the industry with the government assistance. Come and experience Nicmar. That's what I can tell you.
So, hi students. Currently we are with Indrasinh Singh sir. He is a senior faculty as well as Dean of Academic Affairs in Nicmar, Hyderabad. Hi sir.
Hi.
Sir, tell me about what are the various programs happening in Nicmar, Hyderabad.
So, Nicmar is a pioneer institute in the field of construction management, project management, real estate and urban infrastructure management, energy, science and environment management. At present, we are running 2 years programs, PGP in advanced construction management, PGP in advanced project management, and we also have 1 year programs, quantity surveying and contract management, real estate development and management, health safety and environment management, project management.
Okay. So you want to tell anything about the course, sir? So who will be suited to do these courses?
Actually, all the programs are designed based upon the requirement of the industry.
Sir.
If you take advanced construction management, that is suited for BTech in civil, BArch and planning students. They can join our advanced construction management program.
Okay.
Similarly, our advanced project management program, this is the multidisciplinary in nature.
Okay.
Civil, mechanical, electrical.
Okay.
And other branches of engineering can join our advanced project management. We have 1 year program like quantity surveying and contract management. This is exclusively for BTech civil engineer.
Okay.
Only BTech civil engineer can join
Okay.
quantity surveying and contract management program. Project management, we have the 1 year program. that will be applicable for all branches of engineering, plus the graduate in science, commerce, they can also join that project management program. We have health safety and environment management program that is exclusively for graduate engineers. That is also multidisciplinary in nature, even civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics engineer, they can join our health safety and environment management program. We have the real estate and development management program that is also multidisciplinary in nature, even the graduates in science, arts, commerce, BARC, they can join our real estate development and management program.
Hi students, now we are with Dr. Satish Kumar, Dean of Dean of Construction Technology. So we'll discuss about various courses offered in construction technology. Hi sir.
Yeah.
So,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon sir.
Yes.
So tell me about various courses offered in this construction technology.
Myself, Dr. R. Satish Kumar. I am Dean of School of Construction and Technology. In this school, we are having two programs. One is a 2-year program, that is a flagship program, Advanced Construction Management.
Okay.
And the other one is a 1-year program, that is Quantity Surveying and Contract Management.
Right.
So this 2-year program, we are enrolling BTech graduates,
Okay.
core civil engineers, electrical and mechanical engineers also.
They are eligible for this sir?
They are also eligible for this one,
Okay.
because we are not going into that much technical as far as this course is concerned.
Okay.
So they will be taught about how to manage a particular project.
Okay.
So there we don't restrict ourselves to only civil engineers.
Okay.
We need other engineers also, because mechanical and electrical engineers and instrumentation engineers are all part of a project.
Okay.
So that way the course is designed like that.
Okay.
Yeah. And whatever the syllabus we are having, it is not like a theoretical syllabus or something like that. Whatever the requirement to the industry, that we know, because we are having a lot of industry speakers and all. We used to interact with them. So as per the industry, whatsoever required, and that is the part of the syllabus. So that is the main difference between an academic MTech program and a PGP construction management program.
Right.
So those who are going from here, they are ready to work in the industry, like a ready-made people.
Right.
For them, no other training is required.
Right.
Because the curriculum is designed in such a way that they can manage the technical aspects as well as they can manage the construction projects also.
Okay.
Yeah. Managing means managing the men in the construction industry, managing the resources, managing the materials. If you manage these three, then time can be managed, and finally the cost can be managed.
Okay.
That's what it is. So that's about the 2-year program. And this program we are running for the last 37 years. Now 37th batch is going on. 37th batch is going on. Right. And the other program is Quantity Surveying and Contract Management. That is a 1-year program. And this program aims mainly for the civil engineers. Why? Because it is a core civil engineering program, we can tell, and also architects. So in this 1 year, what they will be going through is how to manage the finance in the construction industry.
Okay.
So they are also called as financial managers.
Related to billing.
Related to billing, contract, all those things and all. So they are specialists.
Okay.
So whatsoever the construction industry needs, people like that who are into contracts, who are into billing, who are into revenue, these people are trained like that.
Okay.
So within 9 months, 10 months, they will be coming out, and then they will be specialized in all these aspects like contract, tender, all those things and all.
Okay.
It is like that. So both we are running with graduates only. So with the graduates, they will be going into a postgraduate program like
Okay.
that.
Okay. And coming to placements, both are 100%.
Yeah,
placements,
100%.
whether quantity
You might have seen already, you might
Yes,
have heard
already
from
sir
our
has
placement
explained.
team.
Yes.
Within, as far as ACM, that is Advanced Construction Management is concerned, it's a 2-year program, you know that
Yes,
well.
yes.
So in the second year, that means by the month of December itself, they will be passing out in the month of April.
Right.
So in the month of December itself, everybody got placed this time. And this is the regular feature.
Sir,
It
in
will
this,
be happening.
in this curriculum, how far we have this laboratories,
Yeah.
theoretical classes, and any field exposure we have?
That is right. So as far as the curriculum is concerned, I told it is not like a theory course. It is an industry-oriented course.
Okay.
So it is not like a normal classroom teaching or something like that. So it depends on the case studies. We will be giving them the case studies. We will be asking them to do the presentations.
Okay.
So like that, whatever theoretical aspects also, it is covered like that. It is
Okay.
not like all the faculties are going 60 minutes, they are just lecturing or something. No.
Okay.
So they will invite the students, they will give the assignments to the students so that they can come up with some case studies, presentations, all those things and all. That is as far as the courses are concerned. Each semester, this is a 2-year program where we are having 4 semesters. So each semester they are having a minimum of 2 laboratories.
Total 4 semesters?
4 semesters.
Okay.
Each semester is of 6 months,
Okay.
like the 2 years.
Okay.
So each semester they will be having some 7 to 8 theoretical courses and 2 to 3 lab-oriented courses.
Okay.
Lab-oriented means computer lab-oriented course which are required for the industry. That's what it is.
Okay.
So
what softwares you will be teaching,
yeah,
sir?
we will be going through, in the first year they will be going through my MSP. Microsoft
projects.
MS projects they will be going through. In the second year, they will be going through some advanced software projects like Primavera. That is again a project management software. They will be taught about some estimation software like Candy. They will be taught about Calcon. They will be having risk management software.
Okay.
They will be having statistical software, etc., etc. Nearly 6 to 8 softwares.
All these are part of curriculum?
Part of the curriculum.
Okay.
You asked about the industry orientation. Every semester we will be taking them to the site. So I told you it is a part of the pedagogy. They will be going to the site, they will be seeing the site, what is happening over there. Then we will be giving them the project. Project means it is not like a theoretical projects. We will be asking them to take a live case or something like that. So they will be going to some flyover project, bridge project, tunnel project, building projects like this. And then they will be doing a project for nearly 1 year. 1 year. So first 2 semesters they will be there in the campus only. They will be learning all these softwares and some of the application of engineering in construction. In between the second and third year, they are having a compulsory internship program. It is for nearly 12 weeks. That means 3 months. And Nicmar only will arrange that one. So they will be going everywhere, all over India, sometimes outside also, Middle East also. So this 3 months they will be away from the institute. So whatever they have learned in the first 2 semesters, they will be going there and they are applying that over there.
So this internship is mandatory?
Compulsory. It is compulsory. And that is the advantage of a program like this. Because otherwise you see MTech programs in IITs are also there. For them again getting internship itself is difficult. Otherwise they may be having internship of 4 months, 4 weeks or something like that. But here it is compulsory and our placement office sees that everybody is getting internship.
Acha, very nice.
And some of the students who are going for internship, they will be getting stipend also, depending upon the construction projects, whatever they are doing. So majorly they will get the stipend. Some of them they will be doing their own accommodation, all those things they will be arranging and then they will be coming back. Once they come back, they have to submit a report. And that will be evaluated. And that is a part of the grade also. So it's like that. That 9 months course, that is going like a hot cake. I told you quantity surveying and contract management. The fees is nearly 4.5 lakhs or something like that. So once they come out of the engineering, they will be joining. And this particular course, quantity surveying, contract management, we are having a lot of experienced people. Experience means 6 to 7 years experience. They are having in the project. They will be coming over here. They will be taking this course. And this course also comprises of lot of softwares like MSP, Candy, Calcon, etc. And 9 months to 10 months they will be finishing the course. The advantage is that just after finishing engineering, they may not be getting a placement or package of nearly 30,000 rupees or something like that per month. But after doing this course, and now you see they joined in the month of July. December, their placement is over and everybody is getting a package of nearly 7.5 to 8 lakhs. So you see the difference there. Earlier they were getting only 30,000 per month or 3.6 lakhs or something like that per year. Now it is doubled. After doing a 1 year program like this. So that is why it is going like a hot cake. Other than that, as far as the school is concerned, we are having a lot of industry exposures. We are having conferences that will be going on where all the students only will be doing everything. We will just mentor them how to do all these activities and all. We are tying up with various organizations like project management institutes and all. We will be giving the students the, support for certifications. So all those things are advantages as far as this institute is concerned, because many institutes are offering some MBA program and all. But there we used to see what extra we can give, what difference we can have in that particular stream. So that way we will work it out as far as syllabus is concerned, as far as their stay in Nicmar is concerned. It's like that.
So what is the program which majority students choose, sir? Generally advanced construction?
Yeah, advanced construction is a flagship course because they will be going as a planning manager. In that line they will be going. And somebody wants to do the course, mainly experienced hands. Sometimes they want to finish it in 1 year or something like that. They will be coming out from some projects. They want to finish and go. So they will be coming for the other one, quantity surveying and contract management. It's like that.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me the time.
Hi students, now we are with Dr. Arun sir. He is Dean of Business School in Nicmar, Hyderabad. Hi sir. Hi. Sir, what are the various courses offered in this business school and who are eligible to apply for these courses?
In School of Business Management, what we have is we have two programs mainly. That is, one is postgraduate program in advanced project management, and the second is postgraduate program, 1 year postgraduate program in logistics and supply chain management. These are the two programs.
Okay.
And I'll give you a little bit addition to that.
Ah.
The 2-year PGP in advanced project management is having an option for exit after 1 year, where they will get a PGP in project management.
Acha.
That is an advantage which you are having for the 2-year program.
Okay.
Yeah.
And who are eligible to apply for
Yeah,
this?
regarding the eligibility, any engineering graduate is eligible for applying for advanced project management. Apart from that, graduates in science and mathematics are also eligible for project management.
Okay.
PGP project management.
Okay. So
But for the LSCM, any graduate
any graduate?
in any discipline is eligible to apply.
Okay. So why we should choose this course, sir? What is the advantage we have?
See, first advantage is our programs are mostly industry oriented. That is industry oriented in the sense our syllabus, curriculum, all those aspects are based on the requirement of the industry. Industry, for example, if you have the project management, it is into all the sectors, whether it is shipbuilding, whether it is going to be in building infrastructure, or if you go for an aircraft, or now we have the space technologies also coming up. So all this includes the project management. So you have good career prospects once you are into Nicmar for advanced project management or PGP in project management. The other side is we have accreditation to PMI. That is, we are supporting the students to get the certification for PMI based on their eligibility. Some students will be having experience once they join here.
Okay.
For them, they have the advanced certification program.
Okay.
And for the freshers, there is another certification by the PMI. So both they will become eligible once they join here, and we will be supporting partially for that.
Okay.
Then for the logistics and supply chain management, there are a lot of opportunities across, starting from our giants of Walmart or Flipkart, Amazon, say any of the, and also you can see Blue Dart, all those things.
Okay.
Companies, they require a lot of logistics professionals,
Acha.
logistics and supply chain management professionals for their working. So there is a lot of opportunity for them once they complete these programs.
Okay. Sir, how are the packages? Is it competitive with the construction technology courses?
Yeah, it depends on the company.
And
Also what is the student's background. So based on the companies, some of the companies require science graduates or commerce graduates for their program. For them, if they are suiting to their requirement, they will get a good package. Up to, that is, we have a ceiling for 1 year program, 6 lakhs.
Okay.
Is the ceiling.
Minimum package.
Minimum package. And for the 2 year program, we have a minimum package of 7.5 lakhs.
Okay.
So some of the, but since these are 2 new programs, we are waiting to see. But since our package ceiling is there, only if the students are good,
yes,
they will be eligible for those packages.
Yes.
The students' effort, due to students' efforts, we are having a track record of 100% placement throughout the what you see is track record of Nicmar Hyderabad. So that is one advantage which we have, and we have a good liaison with lot of companies, which is there in and out of Hyderabad. One, I suggest the students to take the 2 year program. If you are going to excel in project management, I suggest for 2 year program. Why? Because there is an internship, which is a 12 weeks internship which we have. That is nearly 3 months they will be with the industry, which will make them industry ready. As soon as they come out from internship or from our program, they can, without training, most of the companies are deploying them in the projects. So that is one advantage which they can look for. That's from my side.
Okay. So also tell me about the real estate programs we have here, sir.
Yeah, we have a School of Real Estate, which have one program that is a 1 year PGP in Real Estate Development and Management. This is mainly for, the eligibility of this program is any graduate, even a BCom or an arts graduate can take out. They will be trained in the basic subjects of civil engineering, and also they will be trained in some subjects which is related to management, business development, forecasting, all those things, so that they will be eligible to work in certain areas where engineers cannot work.
Okay.
That is what we are equipping them. That is, it is mainly for other than engineers. This program is mainly for graduates which is other than engineers.
Okay.
So that they will be equipped, and a lot of real estate companies are looking forward for those type of people because they don't want to pay an engineer or they don't want to invest in an engineer for the additional work like office management, inventory management.
Okay.
Then they have the business development. For example, they have to not only the what you call brokerage, that is real estate, not only as real estate brokers, it is for the corporate brokerages there, where a company, for example, now we have after COVID, we have this what you call shared office spaces.
Okay.
So for that, which are the companies they have to approach? The real estate firm is one entity.
Okay. Okay.
It will be operated by another entity, and you have different firms which will be operating the same space.
Okay.
So how exactly it shall be managed?
Okay.
This, an engineer is not required for that.
Right.
So, but a person, a science graduate or a commerce graduate will not be able to fit directly.
Right.
So that training we are providing. So
Okay.
this is the advantage of that program.
Okay. Hi, sir.
Hello.
So tell me what is this energy and green technology is all about, and what are the various programs offered by this?
Yes. So Nicmar is established in 1983,
Sir.
and since then it is successfully running in Pune and Hyderabad.
Sir.
So in Hyderabad in 1997, we are developed with collaboration with NAC, and we are learning the various courses.
Previously, this used to be at NAC only, no, sir?
Exactly. Okay, so recently after new Director General, after he encouraged us, the energy sector has improved, getting a large, enormous importance in the world. So why can't our Nicmar has to establish a course on, especially in the energy area. He suggested us.
Okay.
So last year we started. Pune started. We worked together, and sustainable energy management, one new program we established.
Okay.
Presently, this is successfully running in the head office Pune.
Okay.
So here we started initially existing courses we want to improve. So under that criteria, in the School of Energy and Clean Technology has taken a program of health, safety and one-year management program. This is 1 year program, and this is presently successfully running under this school. Next year we are going to develop for so many other new courses also we are going to introduce in this school.
Okay. So who are eligible to apply this, sir?
All engineering graduates.
In any engineering?
Any engineering graduates
Okay.
are eligible to apply our programs.
Okay.
Because our prime motto is, so actually this energy and safety, these are the areas mainly stressing the knowledge of various construction safety, electrical safety, fire safety. So engineering background people knowledge is very, very essential.
Okay.
That's why any graduate in engineering is eligible to do this course.
Okay. How is the curriculum, sir, for this course?
Yeah. Presently this health, safety and management, this program, actually what happened is, nowadays most of the industries has recognized the following the rules of Factories Act 1948. According to this rule, every industry must have a safety officer.
Okay.
Because there are so many accidents that is creating problem to the workers and welfare of the workers. So these are taking the prime motto of this, because labor should not be treated as a commodity. He has also, so 8 hours per day. This is the rule has to be followed, and requirements of all necessities for the worker also should be taken care of. So under this category, this health, safety and management course has got high popularity, and it is taking care of the most of the workers. So this way this course has the high demand in this society.
Okay. So how is the career after doing this course, sir?
Yes. So this course, already I told you, this safety management, most of the people are absorbed as a safety officers.
Okay.
This is the minimum. Depends upon the company to company, they are taking the health, HSC officers and the safety professionals, different cadres they may recruit in different areas.
Okay.
And the main motto is health, safety, environment.
Okay.
So this is the criteria which we taken, and almost top companies are coming and recruiting safety officers in our course.
Okay. I have seen Indian Green Building Council certificate also, sir.
Yes.
So which rating we have, sir, here for Nicmar?
Yes. So recently, our students, okay, our director strategic madam Poonam Kashyap madam has advised us. Our campus is looking very good. Why can't you try for a IGBC certification?
Okay.
Okay. So under the encouragement of our madam, so we take an initiative. Our students, especially health, safety, and management students, they are taken into. Madam has asked us 10 days given time. Why can't you work on this? So we people, students, have taken it as a challenge. And what are the requirements? Especially this IGBC certification is not an easy job. It has concentrating various 5 parameters. One is the site selection, water management, energy management, material management, and innovations.
Right.
These are the various areas concentrating. They are giving a score. Okay, there is a various rating of the.
Right.
Based on the score, they are giving certification. There is a platinum, gold, silver, like this various certificates.
Right.
So our students are working for that, and we targeted these areas.
Okay. Okay.
So site selection and changing of the energy consumption also, minimization of the power consumption and balancing of the water.
Okay.
Groundwater management and rainwater harvesting techniques. Okay, and these kind of works our people are concentrated. We adopted. And as per the IGC norms, we got the exactly good score and platinum rating we got.
Wow, platinum rating.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
IGBC platinum rating we achieved.
Okay.
This is the success in a recent success in
Okay.
HSCM course for students especially.
Okay. Okay. Hi students, now we have Rambabu sir to explain about the admission procedure into Nicmar for various courses. Hi sir.
Hi, how are you?
Hi sir. Sir, what is the procedure to enter into Nicmar for various courses?
Okay, this is Professor Rambabu Mukkamala,
Sir.
from Nicmar, Hyderabad. So I have been associated with the admission process since 10 years. And the admission process in Hyderabad is like, firstly, the student has to apply for our program. So
Sir.
in the website, we have that means in the website he has to go and register himself.
Sir.
Once he registers himself, he will get a verification link. Once with that verification link, he will have to register himself, and then whatever the programs which he is interested of, he can apply for. So
Okay.
the process starts
Single
from
application for all the programs,
yes.
sir?
So
Okay.
what the student has to do is he can choose multiple preferences,
Okay.
maximum 5,
Okay.
at a price of 2,000 rupees.
Okay.
Application fees is 2,000 rupees only,
Okay.
including GST and all.
Okay.
So once he applies, then he will have to appear for NCAT exam.
NCAT
That is
exam.
Nicmar Common Admission Test.
Okay.
So which is scheduled in the month of February 12th to 18th.
Okay.
So 12th and 13th they will have online written examination, online NCAT exam we call, and then after that they will have JD and PI, that is group discussion and personal interview. So this entire exam, again they have total marks allocated for this is 300 marks.
300 marks.
So in that NCAT like exam comprises of 180 marks.
180.
And group discussion and personal interview 50 marks.
50.
And rating of application is 70 marks.
Okay.
So this rating of application is whatever the academic percentages he has got.
Okay.
10th class, intermediate, engineering, and any work experience he has.
Okay.
Then all these components are weighted, and then based on that the rating of application is done.
Any minimum percentage criteria, sir, for application?
See, for eligibility for every candidate is as already shared by the deans. It is 50% minimum eligibility they need to have
Okay.
in engineering
Engineering.
or any graduation.
Okay.
Any graduation or engineering degree, they need to have 50%. 50% marks scored.
Okay.
And that's all. Then out in these 300 marks, the Nicmar selection committee will decide a cutoff.
Okay.
And based on that, the candidates are selected.
Okay.
And once they are selected, the results will be declared on February 21st.
Okay.
Then after that, we will give deadline.
Okay.
March 20th is the deadline for the last date for the payment of first installment fees.
Okay.
So then once they pay that, then their seat is confirmed.
Okay.
And the courses will commence from July 15th.
July 15th.
July 15th.
And last date for application, sir?
Last date for application is January 31st,
January
2024.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me about, sir, the procedure is common for all the courses?
Absolutely. It is common for all the
Okay.
all the programs. It is common.
Okay.
So the NCAT exam comprises of 180 marks is on quantitative ability,
Okay.
then verbal ability, then data interpretation, then gender ability. So
Okay.
these components will be tested.
Sir, we are testing civil engineers where the civil engineering is involved in the process.
That portion we will not consider here. Only
Okay.
it is based on like their candidates analytical
Aptitude
ability,
skill.
aptitude test,
Okay.
like CAT exam, MAT, whichever they have the
Okay.
scores,
Okay.
that also will be considered, and whichever is the best amongst that would be taken. Suppose
Okay.
if the candidate by chance misses the exam, then we will consider that course.
Okay.
We will consider the score of either CAT or NMAT or GMAT or ASET, TSET, all this will be considered.
Okay. Sir, and what is the fee for each course sir, in this?
So the fees is actually for the 2-year program, ACM, we have got 10,15,000.
10,15,000
15,000 is the course fee.
Okay.
And GST is applicable.
plus GST.
Plus GST applicable.
Okay.
Then coming to the APM, we have got 9,05,000.
Okay.
The GST applicable on it.
Okay.
This is for 2-year program.
Huh.
For 1-year program, quantity surveying and contract management, we have got 4,10,000.
Okay.
And GST is applicable on it.
Okay.
And for logistic and supply chain management, which is again 1-year program,
1-year program.
3,50,000
Okay.
plus GST applicable.
Okay.
Real estate development management, 3,50,000 plus GST applicable.
Okay.
And then health, safety and environment management, 3,50,000 plus GST applicable.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. So we have to pay this amount at a time or semester wise, sir?
It is like term wise,
Term wise.
like semester wise. We have got semester wise, like suppose if it is a 2-year program, then 3 terms they will be paid.
3 terms.
So first term installment, second term installment, third term installment.
Okay.
Like that it will be paid.
Okay.
And we have got financial partners also.
Okay.
So for this, HDFC Credila, Union Bank of India, SBI, okay, and ICICI Bank, all financial partners we have. Okay, those banks will give the loans to these.
100% amount we get, can we get loan, sir?
Yeah, you can get the loan 100%.
100%.
100% loan.
Okay.
You will be able to get it.
Okay. And sir, in NCAT exam, if any student outperform, do they get any discount based on the merit?
See, it is like, we have got top ranker scholarship.
Okay.
We have got different top ranker scholarships. Like suppose if the candidate is having 95% in 10th, 95% in intermediate,
Achha.
95% in engineering, then he will get 85% of tuition fee refund.
Acha.
80% of the tuition fee is refund. Then again, if it is 90%, 90%, 90%, then 85%, 60% of tuition fee refund is there.
Okay.
Then if he is getting 85, then 40% of tuition fee refund is there. And if he is getting 80% in all the 3 streams, then he will get 20%.
Okay.
Like suppose example, a student has got 95 in engineering, 95 in intermediate, but 90 in 10th class.
10th.
Then he will be eligible for 60%.
Acha. Okay.
So all the 3 streams he has to get consistently 95, 95, 95. Then
Okay.
80% of the tuition fee he will get refund, and 20% only he need to pay.
Okay.
That's it.
And all the courses are in-campus course only, no, sir?
Absolutely. All are regular programs. So we are offering postgraduate regular programs in Nicmar, Hyderabad.
Sir, as this is in-campus training, so what will be the hostel and food fees, sir, here?
Yeah. See, the hostel and food fees is collected semester wise.
Semester wise.
Semester wise. So approximately they will have to pay 70 to 80,000 rupees per semester.
Per semester.
Per semester, 70 to 80,000.
Okay.
So entire breakup will be sent to them at the time of admission. Like when they are sending the offer letter, they will give the breakup of everything.
Okay.
So if you can take approximately per day, the food expenses will be coming around to 300 to 350.
Okay.
Wherein everything is covered.
Okay.
Like their morning breakfast,
Okay.
then lunch, then supper, then dinner.
Okay.
All these are included in it.
Okay.
And then room twin sharing room will be provided to them.
Twin sharing.
With all the facilities.
Okay.
That is.
Apart from the regular courses, do you provide any workshops also, sir, here?
Yeah. Workshops in the sense we have got all construction workshops. Then we have laboratories, like they will undergo all the computer workshops, like project management softwares, construction softwares. All this they will be learning. We have well-equipped labs here.
Okay.
So wherein we provide training to them.
Okay.
So this particular courses, whatever we are offering, it is a blend of technical, practical and managerial aspects.
Okay.
So finally the student goes out as a techno manager.
Okay. Any short-term courses we have, sir, apart from 1 year?
No,
if
as
you
far as
stud-
PGP regular programs, we don't offer any short-term courses. So in executive programs also, we don't have short-term. So they are planning now. In
So
future,
minimum is 1 duration.
yeah, minimum is 1 year,
year
program
duration.
and 2 year programs.
Okay.
That's all.
Sir, next they will write a common exam for all the courses they have applied.
Yeah.
How they will be selected for which course they are?
That's what the priority. They will have a preference which they will be giving. So maximum 5 preferences the students can give.
Okay.
So in that, suppose if he has chosen first preference as advanced construction management,
Okay.
then he will be offered that
Okay.
based on the qualifying criteria.
Okay.
Suppose he has not qualified, he didn't get the qualifying criteria
Okay.
for the first preference. Then suppose he has chosen second preference, then that would be offered to him.
Okay.
So it goes like that. So maximum 5 preferences the candidate can choose.
Okay. So what is the class strength, sir, approximately?
See, class strength is we have 60 to 70 people per batch.
Per batch.
Per batch.
Okay.
Like per section.
Okay.
60 to 70. And then as per the demand, then we can go to
Next.
2 sections or 3 sections, etc.
Okay. Okay. Sir, apart from January, there will be no admission in the middle?
No. See, what is it is like? We will do it in a phase-wise manner. Like this is first round of admissions.
Acha.
This is first round of admissions, and then again we will go for the second round.
Okay.
We'll go for the third round.
Okay.
Depending on the demand of the
Okay.
students.
Okay.
Based on that, we will be doing it.
Okay.
And based on the cutoff, whatever we have with respect to the compliances, we will take accordingly.
Okay. Okay. So anything else you want to share with students related to admission procedures?
Nothing
sir?
else. Our admissions are open now. Okay. The last date for applying is January 31st, 2024.
Sir.
So I suppose you have heard our all deans message, placements, and the director general. So with this note, I invite all the students to take part their journey in Nicmar, Hyderabad, and go with a beautiful future ahead.
Okay.
My name is Dr. Seshadri Sekhar. I am the alumnus of JNTU Hyderabad and British Pilani. I have 23 years of experience and I am working as a Dean Campus of Hyderabad campus and Registrar of this Nicmar Hyderabad campus also. And here this Nicmar Hyderabad campus is situated at 32 acres land with nearly 3 lakhs 35,000 square feet constructed area with 3 boys hostels and 1 exclusive girls hostel with boys hostel capacity of 800 capacity and girls hostel capacity of 140 capacity and a very big dining hall with 2 dining halls with 500 and 500 capacity dining halls are there. We have separate gymnasium for the boys and girls and we have a very big auditorium and we have a library capacity of nearly 10,000 volume of the books and we have the vast computer labs and this we are having a very good all facilities are there. Whatever facilities is required for this students, amenities, all the things have been provided in our campus, and we are having exclusive branch. Union Bank of India branch is also there for the purpose of the students, and all whatever the amenities is required for the students, all these amenities have been provided to the students in our campus, and ours is one of the we have been rated as a platinum rated campus, and this is the 3rd campus which has been rated in the platinum rated campus in entire Telangana region, and among this the 3 colleges, ours is the only one college which have been given as the platinum rated after the existing building criteria, and we have nearly 26 faculties and all are came from the having very good expertise and experience in the industry and got PhDs from the highly prestigious institutions, and we have nearly 46 staff members, and we have a medical doctor is there and gym instructor is there, and there are so many facilities are there. This is we have all sports facilities also there in our campus.
Hi students, now we are with Vikrant Yadav sir. He is Director of Student Activities in Nicmar, Hyderabad. So we will know what are the activities happening in Nicmar, Hyderabad. Hi sir.
Hello.
Sir, what is the student activities basically, sir, department about?
At Nicmar, Hyderabad, we give a lot of importance toward the holistic development of students, and hence we conduct a lot of extracurricular activities around the year, which gives the ample opportunity to the students to express themselves and to develop their managerial skills extracurricular through various extracurricular activities. So the main activities that we conduct are various festive celebrations, like we celebrate Ganesh festival, Onam on a very large scale.
Okay.
Wherein the students from different states, we at Nicmar are having the student representatives from different states of India.
Okay.
So they come together and they celebrate these festivals in a joyous manner, in a harmonious way.
Like apart from along with current students, alumni students also comes here.
Alumni students, for them we have separate alumni meetings.
Okay.
So like this coming 26th January Independence Day, the Republic Day ceremony.
Celebration.
We will be having an alumni meeting also.
Okay.
So those meetings do happen once in a 6 month. We do conduct the alumni meeting. So that is a platform wherein the alumni get a chance to interact with the current batch students, and the current batch students also get various inputs as to how should they go ahead with their academic performances and all.
Okay.
Yes. So apart from festive celebrations, I was talking about the student activities. Apart from festive celebrations, we also have various other large-scale activities such as Aloha, which is an event which is having a perfect amalgamation of junior and senior batch students.
Achha.
The new entrants will have an opportunity to interact with senior batch students.
Okay.
That event we have named it as an Aloha.
Okay.
Apart from that, we also celebrate Sports Day on every 30th August,
Okay.
which is an international sports day.
Huh.
We also celebrate activities such as Inner and Spirit. Inner is an annual cultural event, whereas Spirit is the annual sports day event. These events are intercollegiate events, so we welcome the students from outside education institutions also to come here and interact with our students and take participation into various activities. So this year the Inner and Spirit are scheduled in the month of February 2024, and I request students across all the institutions to visit our campus and take part into these activities.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Hello, I'm Poonam Kashyap, Director of Strategy and External Partnership for Nicmar Groups. I'm here preparing a Nicmar Strategy 2030. So now we are prepared this strategy, and this strategy has 6 pillars. It is mainly focusing on our student satisfaction, their teaching and learning experience. It's also focusing on the research and innovation, where you will have this opportunity to come up with your ideas and implement that. Also, it will focusing on the employability of our students, employability and enterprises. Next pillar is the internationalization and engagement with the partnership, where you will get this opportunity to have interaction with the foreign countries and experience in the foreign countries as well. So we will also focus on our people and culture, where we will talk about different type of cultures, how we can adopt that, how we can work with our people and so on. Then we also are looking for the future of our place, that if we want to have lots of future technology. So if we want to focus on our future of Nicmar Hyderabad, then what type of places required? What are the different areas which are required? Big labs, big machineries, hands-on experience. So welcome to you all here, and I'm looking forward to have you on the board. Thank you.